I speak to Jesus when the house is still. I fold my hands and ask your holy will. My heart says stay right here with me, around my kids, let your mercy be. I need your cover over every road. I need your hand when the night feels cold. Keep them steady, keep them in your sight. Hold them close now, wrap them in your light. Under your light, under your care, under your light. Keep my children there. Under your hand, under your name, under your hand. Shield them the same. When little feet run through the day, when tears come fast, please chase fear away. If shadows come, if storms arrive, be the wall that keeps them safely and alive. I need your cover over every road. Ooh, I need your hand when the night feels cold. Oh, keep them steady, keep them in your sight. Hold them close now, wrap them in your light. Under your light, under your care, under your light. Keep my children there. Under your hand, under your name, under your hand. Shield them the same. So I will pray and I let go. You know their names, you know them all by soul. Be their shelter, be their flame. You are faithful, Jesus. Stay.